this problem, you're given y and you want to find dy dx when x is equal to 3, so we just need to take the derivative here. Notice that you have a product, the 5x times the square root right there, so we're going to need to use product rule. So y prime is going to equal the first times the derivative of the second, which is going to be 1/2 the inside left alone to the negative 1/2. And don't forget to multiply by the derivative of the inside, so that's chain rule right there. So that's first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. Well, that's just 5. Okay, now you could spend some time simplifying this, but since we want to know the derivative when x is equal to 3, maybe it's easier just to substitute a 3 in there and work with the numbers and see how they simplify. So that's what I'm going to do, just evaluate this when x is equal to 3. So I have 5 times 3, which is 15. Now I am going to reduce this 1/2 and that 2 right there. So I've got another x right there, which is 3. And then I'm going to have 3 squared, which is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So I'm going to get 10 to the negative 1/2 power, and then I think I have everything in that first term. So then I go to the second term, and I have 5 times the square root of, again, that's going to be a 10 right there. Now we have to simplify it to the answer choices that we have up here, and it looks like most of them, they kept the separate terms. So 15 times 3 is 45. And if I have 10 to the negative 1/2 power, the 1/2 power is the square root, so I can take care of the negative on the exponent by moving it to the denominator, and then 10 to the 1/2 is just the square root of 10. So that gives me that, and then I want to add to that 5 square root of 10. So without having to simplify very much, we can see that our answer choice here is going to be D.